I saw a screenshot like this, and I decided to ignore it. Where people on uniform trying to create awareness, but I don't know. I don't have details about them, so I purposely ignored it, waiting to see if that post we make it much online. I mean, people started sharing it, and I felt that it is time to talk about it. And before then, we need to go through what Marvelous Arrange said here, because I got this screenshot today from him. And many other people are sharing the same thing. I have a video from the group, of course. Like I said, I don't know what they're all about, but today I think I can tell some things about them. I can say some things about them. But before we go through that, I want you to listen to what Marvelous Arisa said. He said, to those asking, Igodomi Igodo Biafran fighters, IBF, are loyal to Biafra. Are loyal to Biafra, Thomas Namode Kano, Simon Ekpa, and the Biafran Republic government in exile. We are one people. That is clear, explanation of what they are. Because when I saw them yesterday, I don't have anything to say about it. I just jump and pass my people because I don't want to share what I'm not sure of. So, but from as it comes from from what Marvelous Alice said, I think it was sharing, because Alice happened to be a popular person so far in the movement of Biafran government in exile, and so he had been on point. So I don't know. I don't need to say much about it. So we are going to go through other things about this group. I will say my own mind. I will tell you my mind. What I will share my own opinion and my feelings up towards them. But before then, I want you to like this video and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to like. Liking the video does not cost you any money. Okay, that is a way to help the platform. Just like and comment. Tell us where you're watching from. Then, if you choose to do donation, that one will cost you money. But for now, the most important thing that I need from you is like and share, subscribe. Okay. Now, the news that came out yesterday about this group is nothing that anybody will pretend that I have not seen. The video have been trending, as you can see here. So I think it would be one Gozier have the video attached, and he said, let's go through what the Dozier said here. He said, here we come. Igodomi Igodo acknowledged and identified as Biafrans, and throw away salute to our PM Simon Ekpa and Oyen Dumas Namonagan, of course. Now those obedient social media nuisance, all noisemakers in diaspora saying otherwise can now come and argue with their ancestors. That is the issue. Because I've seen, I watched a video of this Ofeke guy from Edo called Wounded Civilian, trying to instigate problem between Igbo and the Bini people and the Edo people. I don't know what you want to achieve. I don't know why people like violence, to be honest with you. What do you drive in creating problem between people? I mean, planting in a hatred and seed of hate in the minds of people. What do you gain from that? Sometimes I wonder if they actually want to live in a sane environment. I don't know if they want to, if they make money towards it. When you see people going through pain or fighting each other, constant problem, how do you feel? Does that give them joy? I don't know. Anyway, let us hear from the horse's mouth, which is these people. As you can see, Biafran flag is there, and what not if you are not contented with the environment or maybe the attire and Biafran flag, okay, why don't we just try what they will say, so that you may have your own opinion towards that. Listen.
In this land
let's start from the beginning.
I will serve you. Your own is to obey me and to show me love, and I will show you love. If you say that you are not Edo State, if you say that you are not Biafra, I'm here to tell you, if you know where you belong to, carry your bag, go there. If you say that you are not Biafra, that Igodomi Igodo is not Biafra, pack your luggage and leave our land. If you refuse to leave our land, the land of Igodomi Igodo will swallow you. The land of Igodomi Igodo will swallow you. I'm here to tell you that whenever time you see us on the road, we are for you, to protect you. We are not your enemy, you are not our enemy. Only if you can obey our order. And to greet Prophet Mazin Namudu Ukalo, Biafra seed and the lovers of Biafras all over the world. IBF, IBF, holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Holy, 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 Odiweko Joko is another Savior. Holy, 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 Ekpa is another Savior. Holy, 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 Ekpa is another Savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. I thank my people once again. In this land of Benin, if you know that you are Fulani Janjaweed, from now to the ending of this month, pack your bag and carry your cow and leave our land. If you refuse my order, this land will swallow you.
So that is the end of their video, and it is very, very interesting, isn't it? Because many people don't believe, when you see a video like this, they will think, oh, you are just creating it, you are the one that's saying it is not true, is this, is that. But let's quickly go to the comments from people to know if they have different opinion. But to me, before then, let me say my opinion so that it not be as I copy the comment from people. Let me say my opinion, please. I believe that this is a very good move. I believe that if they are sincere, I believe this is a way forward. And I made mention of wounded civilian before. I just skip it because I wanted to play the video. Wounded civilian is one of the people that are always have something to go against Igbo people. And I said it before in one of my videos that I felt that the reason why he's doing that is because he noticed that his tribe, his part in the Edo state, can never be part of Biafra. So, one thing with the black people is that once they see that you have a good thing, and they know that they're a good thing, there's no way they're going to partake in that good thing. They will start looking for a way to destroy that good thing that you have without looking or searching good things around where they are to build their own and start on their feet. Good thing never finish, my people. It is something that they think that is not good may be very important in society tomorrow. Do you understand it? So some people don't see it that way. They believe that they have answer to everything, by so doing committing nuisance. Anyway, let's hear from people. Let me go through comments and see. Of course, what do you expect? US will be in the green, white, green will be angry with that. Like first comment that we are seeing here, Monday, Samuel said criminals because they mentioned Samuel Ekpa. You understand it now? And now another one said these imbeciles and criminals aren't Igodo people. Comment. They are sponsored by the operative of official DSS Nigeria. Can you imagine? The propaganda, this one is still lacking information because the propaganda they normally use is that DSS so that they will create fear and plant fear in you so that even if you have opportunity or the zeal to join the movement, you are going to start shivering because you think that DSS is coming for you as well. Now, the other person said, why hiding of their faces now? Okay, these are the one of the murderers want to pick them and start buying them. They're not going to hide their face because of what? This is their face, not your face anyway. And Ebimu Pawa, this is a Yoruba language, so I don't know what it means. And another person says, share finally that scared song una don't include na me get this one is preaching English, trying to say that they have used that song, sacred song. Now they have used it. They are using it to their miget, and that's this. You see this miget and all the insult that Martin Kano's wife used against Biafran Prime Minister and Biafrans, it can never ever be forgiven. That's why I got some comments. Someone said that, oh, why are you guys talking and insulting Martin Kano's wife? That is a wife of a leader. Injustice is injustice, no matter who carried it out. A lady that don't care or value anybody, that people that are supporting her husband and choose to insult them and use all manner of words. When people reply, "Yo, you imagine kind of if you want to carry yourself as a leader of wife of Martin American, why must you go down that route, follow that kind of way to insult people?" And bunch of criminal never do well. Set of people. These are this post. Maybe the person that posted this thing have a lot of DOS members. When you hear members, it's just few people. Oh, few people, my people. Go to Biafran land and ask. Here in Biafran land, you don't expect people to discuss anything DOS, and you'll be watching your back because people know that they are not offering anything. This is not about attacking Nigeria. This is internal issue. So if you are one Nigerianist or Nigerian personnel, don't see that when people talk about DOS, they are attacking you. It's not about you. It's about problem we have within ourselves in Igbo land. A lot of sabotage, modern saboteurs, modern one with a high tech. They're operating in a different dimension in sabotaging everything that concerns our people. Anyway, my people, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this group? Although PM have not shared the group in his platform, meaning that is not. I don't think the group has been accepted into different government. This is my own personal opinion. I don't know why, because normally he would have shared the picture or the video on his platform, but he's somehow quiet. Just like some group from Niger Delta was, searching for a way to join PM. PM is not the kind of person that you can use emotion to pin down. No, he always, examine everything that he do. So I believe that these people are have been subject to, investigation and to understand what their intention is and to know them better before, bringing them to the limelight. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time, and please like the video, like I said, and subscribe if you have not. See you again, and bye bye for now. God bless you.